Well, tonight, thousands of South Jersey households are still without power as crews are working around the clock to put up new power poles to replace the ones that snapped during the high winds. Aziza Schuler has our coverage from Collingswood.
We've had this happen before in Collingswood. It's known to have these blackouts and yay! Hey! You brought us luck.
A sudden gust of luck, or maybe just good timing. For more than 24 hours, Jerry Mazzola and Ken Bear had been without electricity. That is until we showed up Monday evening, coincidentally, as their power returned.
We are always prepared with lanterns. They've been on since 5:40 last night, and we've been warmed by fire.
Sunday's fierce, forceful winds sent trees in Collingswood toppling, snatching power lines in the downfall.
We saw it fall and heard it. The whole house shook, and we ran outside, and he came running out saying, we were next to it. You know, we were next to this tree. We almost got killed.
Thousands of PSE&G customers were affected by outages. All day Monday, crews worked to clear the debris and reassemble wires. This community says their fire chief went door to door checking on every single home in the neighborhood.
That was a great feeling, and that was really personal.
Across South Jersey, fallen trees litter roadways, narrowly missing homes and crushing cars.
My wife's car was just being paid off next month, and we have another baby on the way, so really poor timing with all that.
In Winslow Township, utility crews replaced 14 power poles along Whitehorse Pike. Meanwhile, Atlantic City Electric restored service to more than 23,000 customers. But as the cleanup continues, residents are grateful the damage wasn't worse.
So when it's that windy, you never know what's going to come down.
Aziza Schuler, CBS News, Philadelphia.